Picture this: a completely anonymous YouTube channel hitting monetization in just 30 days while you sleep. No camera, no microphone, no face reveal required. Today, I'm breaking down the exact blueprint that transforms ordinary people into YouTube income earners using nothing but artificial intelligence tools and strategic planning. Most creators spend months or even years trying to crack the YouTube code. But what if I told you there's a mathematical formula that practically guarantees success? The monetization requirements seem daunting at first glance. You need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. But here's the reality check that changes everything. Let's do the math together. If you upload one video daily for 30 days, making each video 12 minutes long with a 50% retention rate, you're generating 6 minutes of watch time per view. To hit 4,000 hours, you only need 40,000 total views across your entire channel. Spread that across 30 videos, and you're looking at just over 1,300 views per video on average. But here's where it gets interesting. Successful channels follow the 80-20 rule. 90% of your views typically come from just 10% of your videos. This means even if most videos get minimal views, a few viral hits can carry your entire channel to monetization. The subscriber math is equally encouraging. YouTube channels average a 1 to 3% view to subscriber conversion rate. With 40,000 views at a 2% conversion rate, you're looking at 800 subscribers, putting you right at the finish line. Now let's talk about the game-changing role of artificial intelligence in this process. Tools like TubeMagic AI revolutionize content creation by analyzing trending topics, generating video scripts, and optimizing thumbnails based on successful patterns. These platforms can identify viral video opportunities before they peak, giving you a massive competitive advantage. The content research phase becomes effortless with AI assistance. Instead of spending hours analyzing competitor videos, AI tools can process hundreds of successful videos in minutes, extracting the key elements that drive engagement. You can input a topic and receive complete video outlines, attention-grabbing titles, and even suggested thumbnail designs. Voice synthesis technology has reached incredible sophistication levels. AI-generated voices now sound completely natural, eliminating the need for expensive voice actors or revealing your identity. Some creators are generating six-figure incomes using entirely artificial voices that their audiences can't distinguish from human speakers. The secret weapon most creators overlook is content combination strategy. Take two successful video concepts from your niche and merge them into one comprehensive piece. If 10 best travel destinations and budget travel tips both perform well separately, imagine the power of 10 budget-friendly travel destinations that won't break your bank. Value stacking becomes your monetization accelerator. Study the top 3 videos in your chosen topic, extract every valuable point from each, then create one ultimate resource containing all that information. Your video instantly becomes 10 times more valuable than any single competitor piece. Thumbnail psychology plays a crucial role in viral success. AI tools can analyze thousands of successful thumbnails in your niche, identifying color schemes, text placement, and visual elements that consistently drive clicks. This data-driven approach removes guesswork from your thumbnail creation process. The content calendar strategy separates successful channels from failed experiments. Plan 30 to 60 videos in advance, ensuring consistent uploads while maintaining topic relevance. AI scheduling tools can even post your content automatically at optimal times when your target audience is most active online. Monetization doesn't have to wait for YouTube's partnership approval. Smart creators implement alternative revenue streams from day one. Affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and course promotions can generate substantial income before you ever see your first ad dollar. The analytics game becomes your growth multiplier. After uploading 30 videos, dive deep into your channel metrics. Identify which content types drive the highest engagement, what thumbnails generate the best click-through rates, and when your audience is most active. This data guides your next 30 video strategy. Content length optimization can dramatically impact your monetization timeline. Longer videos generate more watch time per view, but only if they maintain audience interest. AI tools can help identify the optimal length for your specific niche and audience preferences. The transformation mindset separates winners from quitters. Most creators expect overnight success and quit when results don't materialize immediately. Successful faceless channels treat their first 100 videos as market research, constantly refining their approach based on performance data. Platform algorithm understanding becomes your secret advantage. YouTube rewards channels that keep viewers on the platform longer. Structure your videos to encourage binge watching by creating series, teasing upcoming content, and linking related videos in your descriptions. The scaling strategy multiplies your success exponentially. Once you identify winning formulas, replicate them across multiple channels in different niches. Many successful creators operate entire networks of faceless channels, diversifying their income streams and maximizing their reach. Quality control remains essential even with AI assistance. Review every script, thumbnail, and video before publishing. AI tools provide incredible efficiency, but human oversight ensures your content maintains authenticity and value for your audience. The persistence factor determines long-term success. Commit to uploading consistently for at least 90 days before evaluating results. Most viral successes happen after creators have already built substantial content libraries and refined their production processes. Your faceless YouTube empire starts today, not tomorrow. Choose your niche, select your AI tools, and begin creating content that serves your audience while building your income. The 30-day monetization challenge isn't just possible, it's predictable when you follow these proven strategies systematically. The opportunity window won't stay open forever. As more creators discover these techniques, competition increases. Start now while the strategies are still fresh and the markets aren't oversaturated with similar approaches.